Now that the entryway is clean, it's time to hang this wallpaper. I got this wallpaper from a Ben's store last year, and it goes very much with that French Parisian theme that I'm going for. It has like floral motifs. It looks like it's vinyl. I think it'll look really nice with what I'm trying to do. So let's go ahead and throw this up on the wall. I'm using a laser level to make sure we get a straight line because, honey, no walls are straight ever. Okay. Welcome to the boiler room. It's actually the back room of the house, like the laundry room, storage room. I'm so happy to finally have somewhere that I can store my paint, not in my kitchen, not under my cabinets. I got a whole little small area that I can work in, that I can mix my paint in. I don't have to worry about the floor getting messed up because the floor is already shot to hell. I'm super excited. So, since we're working on the entryway, I have that wallpaper that have those reflective properties in it. And I had in my stash this Sherwin-Williams Showcase HGTV Home Interior Semi-Gloss Paint in high reflective white. And that's going to be the whole living room space. And those reflective properties should help blend in with the reflective wallpaper in the entryway. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, we have the first coat on, and I'm already super excited with how it looks. And I'm really trying to take my time and not rush to make mistakes because I have carpet in this house. But I'm super excited. We're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna come back and put a second, third, however many more coats we need to get full coverage on this wall situation. We're gonna see. So we're gonna let this dry. This is the flooring that I purchased from Walmart. These are floor pops, penny towel kind of design. I've used this before in my old apartment, so I know I like it and I know it's durable. So this is what we're going to be using to put down, but let's look at the floor in its current state. Alrighty, so this is the current floor. It's just planks that they put down with this border. I want to try to take this border up. If I could take this border up, I want to take these up instead of putting them on top of here. So let's see. Okay, the floor is done. The only thing I really have to do is I want to go in and add a, what is this called? A quarter round to the bottom to like hide the gaps on the side. Other than that, she's perfect. I already went back and put these gold little decorative trim pieces on. They look amazing. It brightened up the entryway so much. I'm gonna go find some heavy stuff to put on it. The next thing we're working on is this door. Alright guys, so we are on to another day of doing this entryway, and it's time to work on the decorative accoutrements, okay? Accoutrements, okay? So I have these beautiful corbels. Let's go ahead and bustle up out the plastic. Rip me out the plastic hole, I'm feeling brand new. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Got two of them. I showed y'all my inspiration pictures with the mirror and the ledge with the marble little floating shelf. I want to do that, but without the floating shelf. I want to use these two to hold my shelf up. Then I have this piece of wood, and I also have this piece of wood, and I'm either going to stain them English chestnut or this transparent, semi-transparent color stain by Wax, which is a brown color. So I just gotta figure out, do I want to have a short shelf or a long shelf? If I choose this one, I'm going to edge band it, and then they're gonna sit like this, a little off, not all the way on the end, but like about right here. I'm going to test my stains to figure out which one I want to use. Do I supposed to shake this? Well, I'm not going to shake, but I'm going to stir it. So let's get started. I'm going to test them on the back of this. Let me go get my edge banding. This is thick as hell. It's a beautiful color though. This is my tried and true. I use this on a lot of projects, a lot of different projects in my house, in my clients' houses. All right, I'm gonna take the back of this, dip my brush in, that's what that looks like. That's kind of close to this. All right, we're going to use another chip brush, and we're going to use this one. It's definitely thicker. It's where it's supposed to bring out the tone of the wood, but low-key I think it kind of covers it up. I like this better, and this matches this better if in case I want to use wrong one. This matches this better in case I want to use this. So I'm just going to wrap this one and then stain it, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do after that, okay? Alright you guys, before I go to bed, I'm going to hang up this beautiful mirror that I've had for some time. It was hung up in my old home in the living room. It's this vintage oval mirror. Honey, look at the detail on that. I hope you can see it. I can't see what I'm showing you guys, but I absolutely love it, and I'm going to hang it up on this wall. If you remember the inspiration picture that I have, it had a oval mirror with a floating shelf under it. So that's what I'm kind of going for. Kind of want it here because I want it to be a little taller than like normal, because normal I feel like will be here, but I feel like I need it to be a little bit taller, a little bit more dramatic, so I wanted to go here. And then I was going to put the floating shelf here in this area. So let me go ahead and start doing what I need to do to hang this. Ooh. Once in my way, I need someone who needs me. Someone who needs me. Oh. So I'm going to take this measuring tape and I'm going to measure and figure out what the center of this little wall is. It's 46 inches wide, so it's 23 is the middle. I always gotta go bigger. The hole is never big enough, wide enough, strong enough. It's too big, it's too wide, it's too bad, it's too strong, it won't fit, it's too much. I